You want to build AI agents, but there are now 5 major frameworks competing for your attention, and choosing wrong means rewriting everything in 6 months. Let's cut through the hype. A single AI agent just needs a prompt, a model, and some tools. But the moment you need multiple agents working together, you need coordination, state management, failure recovery. That's where frameworks come in. In 2026, the big 5 are LangGraph, CrewAI, OpenAI Agents SDK, AutoGen, now called AG2, and Google's Agent Development Kit. Each takes a fundamentally different approach. LangGraph models agent workflows as directed graphs. Nodes are agents, edges define transitions, and a shared state object flows through everything. It's the most adopted framework by far. The killer feature, built-in checkpointing. Every state transition is saved. You can pause for human approval, recover from failures mid-execution, and even time travel debug. For complex workflows, nothing comes close. CrewAI takes a completely different approach. You define agents like team members, each with a role, goal, and backstory. You can get a working multi-agent system in under 20 lines of Python. But simplicity comes at a cost. No built-in checkpointing, coarse error handling, and limited agent-to-agent communication. Many teams prototype in CrewAI, then migrate to LangGraph when they hit production scale. OpenAI's Agents SDK is built around one elegant concept: handoffs. Agents transfer control to each other explicitly, carrying the full conversation context through each transition. The catch? It's locked to OpenAI models only, Python only, and the handoff pattern starts to break down when you have more than 8 to 10 agent types. Great if you're all in on OpenAI, limiting if you're not. Microsoft's AutoGen, now rebranded as AG2, treats agents like colleagues in a group chat. They debate, critique, and iterate on each other's work through conversation, ideal for code review and content workflows. The trade-off is cost. Every agent turn in a conversation means more API calls and more tokens. A 5-agent debate can burn through your budget fast. Great results, expensive execution. Google's Agent Development Kit uses hierarchical agent trees. Parent agents delegate to specialized children with native Gemini integration. It's newer but backed by Google's infrastructure and growing fast. So, which should you pick? Complex branching workflows, LangGraph, quick prototype, CrewAI, already on OpenAI, their SDK, research and code generation, AutoGen, Google ecosystem, ADK, match the framework to your actual use case. Here's my honest advice. Start with CrewAI to validate your idea fast. When you need production-grade state management and conditional routing, migrate to LangGraph. Don't over-engineer on day one. Which framework are you building with? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you want more developer deep dives like this, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.